one of them lands or takes off every 3 seconds somewhere around the world.
Now, of course, at this moment also as well, the passenger manifest list they're trying to get that together in order to contact the relatives of all those who are on board.
Well, that would be Airbus A320 should be doing all that. First of all, I think they have to actually make sure that this report apparently was survivors seems to give out very quick. I think that's probably still too early to say. It might just be a very long, a wide area. There was one of those Yemen flight a few years ago, that was an Airbus, and there was that one survivor, if you remember, remarkably young girl, I think it was. So it's too early to say, but clearly Germany itself is looking at the whole passenger list right now, and this isn't an investigation yet by any means. This is a salvage rescue operation.
Yes, indeed.
I'm afraid I haven't had a moment to check if that's the case.
No, so it could at this stage point to some kind of malfunction, some kind of mechanical malfunction?
Yes, that is a possibility, although, as I think people have been saying, aviation statistically is still very, very safe. There are 6,450 plus Airbus A320 family aircraft. Other things, and they have been known to survive very severe accidents indeed, where no person survived on board the aircraft and there were only small bits of wreckage. So the hope that the BEA will have at the moment will be that they will be able to find these two data recorders.
And we understand, Sean, now from the French Transport Minister, he's being quoted as saying that there are no survivors. But going back to the black box data recorders, of course they're not black at all, are they, Sean?
No, they're called black box. That dates back to the wartime. Actually, every time a new piece of electronics came into the aircraft, it was black, and they always called them black boxes. No, they're bright orange, so that you can find them easily. They're the brightest colours they can be. They do have locator beacons on them, which should have been fired off by the impact of the crash. We shall just have to wait and see whether they're going to be found.
And the thought occurs to me, Sean, that this accident involves many...
To raise concerns in Germany, given Lufthansa and Germanwings' exemplary safety record.
Yes, indeed. That is something that will be paramount of importance to all airlines that operate in Germany, given the safety record that you've referred to being exemplary. This is the first fatal incident involving Germanwings, so clearly they're going to want to get right to the heart of the matter and find out what caused this to happen. I've just been handed an update. The German president, Mr. Gauck, Joachim Gauck, has expressed his sorrow at this incident and given his condolences to the families of those who were involved in this incident. Clearly, his colleague Angela Merkel is going to want to go into more detail about this, and the German government is going to be very keen indeed to find out what exactly happened in this incident that brought that plane down on a journey which is routine for a short-haul, no-frills airline like Germanwings. They have very many aircraft similar to this one that came down, and their concern is going to be, are the other flights safe? And certainly the concern of the passengers too will be, is this airline safe? I'm sure that when Thomas Winkelmann, the CEO of Germanwings, speaks to the media, he will seek to allay those concerns, those fears. And of course, we expect that to happen within the hour, Darren.
Just a now, I was looking behind you. The weather's not looking too good either.
No, as I say, this weather system has just moved in. At the time of the crash, it was completely clear. There are no meteorological reasons that anybody can tell why this accident should have occurred. But now, this is grim weather coming in. It's been heavy rain, that have been heavy snow up where the debris of the aircraft is. So yes, it's going to get much worse, and of course with night falling very soon, it's going to take several days at least, I would have thought, before they can be sure they've found every single one of those victims. And I do understand that the French aviation minister and the German aviation minister are coming to the area. They'll be landing probably at this airport